Okay, good day people. Today I'm going to review the Pretec screw gun. As you can see, this is what comes in the box. You got the USB cable. You can charge it any USB charger, and it goes right here. Also, you get an extension, magnetized, to reach those hard to reach places. Yeah, we get also bits. We got the common T10, and T15 bits, and it also comes with an bit holder, which also is magnetized. So basically, this is what you get in the box. Yeah, 3.6 volt, 1500 milliampere, 250 revolution per minute, 3.5 Nm. Yeah, this button is used to switch the direction of rotation. This is used to check the battery power. Very handy. You press this because it's adjustable. You can use as a gun or as a straight screwdriver. Yeah. It also have a torque adjuster. So you have from 1 until 7, and you have an additional feature for drilling, but no drill bit came with it. It also has a lead, a work lead, yeah, and I think it's a good deal. It's a good deal. It's worth the price. So I'm going to drive some screw with it. Let you see how it performs. Been using it for roughly a month now, and this one is the Philips H1. Philips H2. H1 fits better in this. And that's on the highest torque, yeah. Reverse. Okay, take it out with one. Two did the job. Alright, let's see how far one can take it. Alright, that's where one take it. Let's see how far two can take it. That's where 2 take it. So far 3 take it. That's where 3 take it. Alright. 4. No movements. 5. 6. 'And you can see it's starting to slip. It's on 6. Also eating out the head of these screws. Have to hold it firmly. And basically 6, take it all the way through this board. Yeah, as you can see, it's very powerful. Battery life very good. A 9 out of 10. And the only reason why I want to give it a 10 is because it did not came with a drill bit, but it has the drill bit feature. So that's it, the Pretec screw gun. I recommend it. It's a really durable gun. It's handy, very easy to use, very flexible. So we're going to take out the screw. Hope the camera getting this. We're going to send it in. Yeah, and that's on the drill feature. Yeah, so it's very handy, very useful. Help me get things done a lot faster than with just the regular screwdriver. So you can give me a comments on what you think. It's not a well-known brand, but it's a good machine. Alright guys, thank you for viewing. Like and subscribe, and I will be doing a review on another tool very soon. So subscribe for new videos. Thank you.